Welcome to the breakdown of our professional ID photo transformation prompt. This structured JSON framework is designed to turn any casual photo into a high-end, executive-level portrait while maintaining absolute subject integrity. The core of this prompt is the subject integrity module. We've set a strict requirement for 100% identity preservation. This ensures the AI maintains the exact bone structure, eye color, and unique facial marks of the original person. The expression is locked to a neutral or a slight professional smile with a direct gaze, ensuring the subject looks confident and approachable. Next, we move to the wardrobe upgrade. This instruction swaps out existing clothing for a premium CEO executive suit. We've specified high-end details: a dark charcoal or navy wool blazer, a crisp white tailored shirt, and a silk tie. The focus here is on a modern corporate leadership aesthetic with a perfect shoulder fit for a realistic, non-distorted look. To ensure the output looks like a real photograph rather than AI generation, we use technical enhancements. This includes Studio 3-point lighting to eliminate harsh shadows and add realistic catchlights in the eyes. The resolution is set to 8K Ultra HD, capturing hyper-detailed skin textures and sharp focus across the entire frame. Finally, the composition parameters handle the framing and post-processing. The shot is a classic head and shoulders portrait, centered and at eye level. We've also included a command for professional digital retouching and color grading to ensure natural skin tones and zero digital noise. By combining these four pillars, the result is a flawless, passport standard photo that looks like it was taken in a professional studio. Regardless of the quality of the original image, you can achieve professional results every time.